Okay, so we have finished this chapter. As we said, we were on grid and time. So the longitudes give us the grid and the time, and the latitudes tell us about what? That you are going to tell me. So you are going to give me the information. You are going to make the notes. I am going to ask you. Now you will go through that link which I have put on the website. You check that link, see it properly, and try to answer things. We have question answers here. Those who have got this book, those who have got it, please solve the question answers, the match the followings, choose the correct answers, unscramble the letters. You can do that. I'll tell you the first one, that is hemisphere, then is altitude. Next you are going to do answer the following questions. What are latitudes? Name 4 important latitudes. Differentiate between a latitude and a longitude. What is the prime meridian? What is a grid? State the importance of the international date line. See, I've said these questions. You put a pause and listen to me and try and write it. Okay, see the notes which I've given you on the Y link, and let me see if I can get a PDF notes for class 5. If it's possible, I guess class 5 PDF notes won't be possible, but I'll try to get some notes done for you and upload it. But by the time, try to work out yourself, try to learn and listen to my information, and listen to the YouTube link as well. Okay, so we are done with 2 chapters. One was our earth and continents and oceans. You have learnt about that. And the second one is the imaginary lines, latitude and longitude. Okay, you will try to find out new words as the imaginary lines. Now if you have a pen and paper, you can write it down. Imaginary lines, North Pole, South Pole, parallel, meridian and grid. Try to find out, try to write something about these if you can. That will be very nice of you. And learn what are latitudes, what are longitudes, how does the latitude work, how does the longitude work. Try to differentiate what is a grid, as I said just now. What is the difference between latitude and longitude? What are latitudes? Name 4 important latitudes. State the importance of the international date line. Explain that. See what you can do. Okay. And the next video which we are going to work on will be of the movements of the earth and their effects. This link will be also given to you. You will be information will be given with you to your web link, the Y links. I'm so sorry. Why am I jumbling up myself today? I don't know. There's something wrong. See, actually this chapter and that, I'm thinking what shall I do the next for you, what type of file shall I upload. Okay guys, so next one will be the movements of the earth and their effects. How does the earth move around and what are the effects it causes? How does the day and night form and what all goes on with it. Okay, so I'll just read what we are going to do, and after that I'll come back on Thursday, and we'll finish this chapter also. There's nothing much in this, only 2 pages, just basic information. How does the earth go around? You have already read about the 2 movements of the earth taking place simultaneously. These 2 rotations are the 2 movements are rotation and revolution. Okay, that is there also in the video explained to you. It's been shown very nicely. The earth spins on its axis once in 24 hours from west to east. This movement is known as rotation. While the earth is rotating on its axis, it is revolving. That is moving around the sun in its orbit. It takes 365 days to make a revolution. Let us find out more about these movements. Rotation is turning on its axis. Okay, one point the ball is turning around. But during this turning around also it is going around. So this outside going around, this is turning, this is rotation, the ball is turning around. But even while the ball is turning, it is going around. So this outside going around, it takes 1 year, 365.5, that is because of February 28th. So this is going on. This is called a revolution, and this spinning of the earth is called rotation. Basic. Okay. So I'll come in the next class and we'll go and do this. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. And do anything you want. Do whatever you want. Only after you do your studies. Okay. And hope to see you soon. Let this COVID off finish. We are all fighters. We are going to fight against it. But make sure you guys keep safe. See you. Bye bye. Take care and God bless.